Seriously. Oh, there he is. Oh, Donald.
Woo! Yeah, Kevin! Stacey's just cruising right along.
Hi, Ruthie.
Oh my gosh, look at Savannah! They're blapping her! Donald slowing down for her? They all just laughed her.
All right, Walter, hurry up.
I thought she was stuck.
I felt bad because of all people she had to get the car and
Oh my god. Probably a good thing that it runs slow though.
Yeah, no.
Go Stacy! Where's Savannah?
She's coming.
There she is. Where is she coming around today? Look at her go. She's doing good. Does it go by laps or 5 minutes?
Is Walter in the lead? Yeah. You know, he had the first car though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. Let's go, Savannah! Oh no. That was fun.
Are they stopping it already?
Savannah should complain and say for some reason her car wouldn't go very fast.
I feel bad because out of all people, she had to get that car, of course. Maybe Donald can. Yeah, keep going, keep going. All right, Kevin, lap him. Ruthie, go get him. Why did they stop already?
Oh, Donald's being sweet, trying to help her. Walter?
Dude,
Oh
Walter's.
my gosh.
Yeah. I got that on video too.
That should be the
Hey, Danny, you should be out there.
Yeah, Danny.
Oh, Donald!
Hey, Donald, get him.
He's doing better.
Lap number 2. Are you touching the gas?
Oh, that was a good move. That was a really good move Ruthie just did. I don't think she's not, but I got it on video.
Let's go, Savannah! Woo!
What's the other one? He's just looking over the other way.
Oh,
Yeah.
Go, Stacy, go!
go Stacy!
Go, Stacy!
Woo!
Stacy has a driver's license, right?
Yeah.
She drives, okay. So that's cheating.
Yeah.
That's cheating.
So she has a passenger.
Yeah.
Floor it, Savannah!
All right, Ruthie, you can do it.
Floor it! Here you go. Floor it, girl!
All right, Kevin, pass her.
That was a fast lap for Stacy. Wow.
Yeah!
Good job, Scott.
Stacy won.
Yeah.
Stop, Walter.
I think Walter lapped everyone at least twice.
We need somebody to really talk to. It's like before he was going on, she's like, I'm going to ram into him. Go ahead, because he kicked out of the whole place. I ran into him.
Did he ram into anybody?
They won't let me ride it. So I'm ramming into him.
Did Walter ram into anybody?
Nobody was talking about it.
Oh, okay.
He was just like, I'm going to hit him. I'm going to run him down. No, you're not.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, crap.
That is so
I
incredible.
mean, I know it's fun too, but
Oh, dude, it's a lot of fun, dude, when you get kicked out.
All the way in.
Good job, Ruthie. Good job.
Good job. You did really good. Really good, yeah. Cautious stretch. Nice.
I'll tell Walter that Steve isn't
Now Savannah will go fast.
about the stretch.
Watch out, man. Savannah.
Good job, Donald.
hurt.
That was awesome.